Have you been looking for a mattress that is comfortable for back sleeping, side sleeping, and stomach sleeping? A mattress that you know is going to support you for years to come? This is the Helix Twilight Elite. This is a luxury firm mattress that is designed to support you in every different sleep style. This is meant for every body style. This is a very comfortable mattress. It's meant for the body styles that are heavier sleepers. It's meant for the body styles that are, let's call it skinny as can be. Yeah, we're all kind of jealous, but yeah. So this is meant to support you, it's meant to be comfortable and eliminate any kind of pressure points. The secret to eliminating the pressure points is the 7-pound memory foam found in this mattress. If the Helix Luxe models are a luxury sedan, these are the really super luxury sports cars. These are just phenomenal construction and meant to support you for many years to come. So what you'll see in this video is you will see me trying this mattress with my side sleeping, stomach sleeping, and back sleeping. This will also contain the construction, so I'll talk about the construction shortly, and then you'll have the overall review at the end of the video. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below, because I would love to answer any questions you have about the Helix mattresses or any other mattress that we carry at Well Mattress. So let's get started with the construction. So the Twilight Elite has some really good construction. So first off, let me tell you that this has been approved by the American Chiropractic Association, which is huge. That's an endorsement that means a lot and should mean a lot to you, because it means that it's going to support you right. So with all the Helix mattresses at Well Mattress, our Helix mattresses do not come rolled up. These come as you see them. It's called flat pack. There is no compression, therefore there's no need for decompression. The first thing that you're going to notice is that the top is very cool. This is called the Glacio Tech cover. The first layer here is about 1 inch to 1.5 inches thick of nothing but cooling materials. If you felt this right now, you would feel that this cover is really cool. Underneath that is a layer of 7-pound memory foam. Now your basic luxury mattress, they use a 4-pound memory foam. What's so big about a 7 or a 4-pound? A 7-pound memory foam has been compressed so many times that any extra air is out. All it is a nice, thick, very supportive layer of memory foam. And then underneath that is, these are called Micro-Coils. So there is a dual layer of Micro-Coils. So the reason I said that this is perfect for the heavier sleeper is that the support kind of goes in. You have that nice little memory foam, and then it touches these guys and it kind of stops. So you have softness and then you have support. Underneath that, then you would have another layer of memory foam. So it goes something like this. There's your 3 of your layers. There's actually a 4th layer of very responsive foam, almost like a synthetic latex that's going to bounce back for you. And then you have edge-to-edge coils. Now, why are edge-to-edge coils so special to me? They're special to me because when we get our senior customers in, we worry about them rolling off the bed. Well, with edge-to-edge beds, these first two rows of springs here are actually thicker metal than the rest of the springs in the mattress, meaning that as you come to the edge of the bed, instead of you rolling off, you're actually being rolled onto the bed. So it's a safety feature, plus it's beneficial because the sides will never break down on you. And then the other thing is, if you buy an adjustable base with an edge-to-edge spring mattress, it conforms better to the lifting. So you will no longer have to be in the bed for the bed to start bending with the adjustable base. These springs are actually designed to bend easier. So there you have it. That's the construction of the Twilight Elite mattress by Helix. So let's try back sleeping first. This is back sleeping. Now I've been laying here for a little bit. I'm honestly glad that I was able to lay here for a little bit to see how the Glaciotech cover held up. And it's still cool. It's cold on my back. I can tell you that I feel very supported. I always look at my feet to see if my feet are falling to the side or whatnot, and my feet are being supported just right. Zero pressure points on my shoulders, on my back. I just really feel like my lumbar is being supported. So very much 2 thumbs up for back sleeping. Let's move on to side sleeping. So this is side sleeping. I got the knee pillow just to show you guys that it is necessary to use a knee pillow to hold your legs straight. All in all, this is so freaking comfortable. Shoulders, no pressure points whatsoever. I do feel like it is a firm mattress, so don't misunderstand me. I do feel the firmness, but there's no pressure. My hips are, again, being very well supported, but there is no pressure on them. I feel no like, I don't know, sometimes you feel on the firm beds like you're really feeling pressure on you. I don't feel that at all. I'm pretty sure that the line is going to be straight. I would definitely 2 thumbs up on the side sleeping as well. So stomach sleeping. The first thing I'm going to tell you is that the Glaciotech cover is very cool. This thing is it's living up to its what it's supposed to do. Now, for stomach sleeping on some beds, I feel an upwards pressure on my rotator cuff. On this one, I do not. There's enough sink that my shoulder is being held correctly. My back, the lumbar, feels like it's being held straight. I don't feel any issues there. Honestly, as far as stomach sleeping, this is probably one of the more comfortable mattresses that I've tested for stomach sleeping. Knowing what's in the construction, I know I haven't said this with the other 2 sleep styles, but I would feel very comfortable recommending this for a heavier sleeper. Yeah, stomach sleeping, 2 thumbs up on this one as well. So you guys just saw, this is meant for every sleep style. It was good on the back sleeping, it was good on side sleeping, and it was good for tummy sleeping. It's endorsed by the American Chiropractic Association, so you know that support is going to hold you just right. Heavier sleepers, no worries with the Elite models. These are designed to take years and years of supporting you during your sleep. You won't have to worry about body impressions. That 7-pound memory foam is going to last you a long time. The micro-coils underneath it are meant for years of support. So overall, the theme is this will be here for many years. This is a bed that's going to last you. Again, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. If you know somebody that's looking for a mattress and you think this one will help them, please share it with them. Like the video, help us get out to more people. We make these videos so that way you guys are shopping educated and you're not just stepping into a mattress store and falling for the first sale item that you see on the sales floor. Thank you very much for watching, and have a wonderful day. Bye.